So we found ourselves on Route 66 here just outside of St. Louis, Missouri. And wouldn't you know it, we actually found terror on Route 66. This is an awesome looking little roadside attraction that we found. This is their second year in operation. It's an indoor and an outdoor haunted house. The guy that runs the place has been doing scenic work for haunted houses for years. So we are super excited to get in here and be some of the first people to show you the inside. Without further ado, let's see what kind of terror awaits here on Route 66. We don't know where. Go up the stairs? Nope, can't go up those stairs. Oh my, that one's real.
Where?
Oh God. Woo!
Yeah.
Blow job.
Tyler.
Let's talk about the air cannon.
I know it. What's in there?
The window.
Look. I'm pretty sure that thing has its head on backwards.
It's something ain't right about it.
There's a nasty little doll right there. That's a creepy mannequin.
Oh God. Oh God.
Nobody doesn't like their dolls. Look at that.
Just drop one of those every once in a while.
Right? Oh, more mannequins. Those aren't creepy at all.
Ooh.
Ah! Ooh.
Ooh. Oh God. Your bed's alive. Oh. Oh God. Sparking electric box. Uh-oh. Where'd she come from? Oh my, that's a big rat. That's a big rat. You stay in there. No, you stay in there. Oh my.
Oh, I can't.
Zambies.
Yeah!
Oh, we got a furnace. Bonus.
We got dinner coming, boys. Wake up!
No dinner coming.
Oh, that is disorienting right there.
Oh my.
That's a good one.
What in the world? What have she got there?
Everything off that road.
Yeah. Took it down to nothing.
Yeah.
Well, she's still back here stalking us. Oh! More stuff coming out of the bed.
Hey there. Ooh, look at that wallpaper. It smells kind of bright in there. Uh-oh, Tyler, it got dark.
Oh, it did get dark.
Oh.
Oh God, oh God.
I think it's intensifying as we go.
Yeah.
Oh no, Tyler.
The music's getting louder.
It's getting dark. Oh, it's a maze.
Oh hell. Keep going.
That is a wrong. I don't think that's a good left either.
Okay.
Is that the oh, what was that?
Yeah, something's
That's the same one?
slithering around. Oh, good night. Thought I heard something sneaking up on us.
Walked off.
Are you ready to play?
I don't what.
Depends. Do we live?
We'll see!
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Have fun!
thank you.
Oh, yep, see. Yep, you can hear that highway.
What?
You can hear that highway.
Highway of death.
Highway of death. Oh, what we got? Cemetery? What's that say? Madro. Whoa!
Oh, there might be zombies in the cemetery.
They're gonna have to drive slower. They're waking up the zombies. They're angry. I honestly did not expect this caliber of scene work from such a new and
That one is not at rest.
no. I think she's stuck in the fence. Big rocks. Looks like it. Oh, there she is. Oh, sneaking up on us. Yep.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, zombie horse.
That's no Cadillac.
He's
It's
just.
Black Limo.
Oh.
Oh, how awesome.
Whoa!
Oh, God.
Don't run from me! Don't run! Jump with me! Don't run!
He's coming after us! He's gonna bite me!
No, I think I'm gonna pass. Whoa!
I still bite. I don't trust you.
I think you probably do bite. Whoa! Yep. Yep.
Oh, that's an elephant.
It is.
Wow.
It's an elephant leg. Where's the rest of the elephant?
I don't know.
Woo! They're back here cackling at us. I don't think we need any of those concessions. Uh-oh. Double tap. Woohoo! Oh, it's a swamp. It's a swampy swamp. I don't know where to go. Yeah. Whoa! There's something over there.
That does not look good.
No, it does not.
Ooh, look at that guy. What in the world is he got on his face?
He's happy.
That's the second crazy face he cracked.
Uh-oh.
That can't be good. Oh gosh. Oh, you poor fellow.
Ooh.
Very weird.
It smells very weird. Oh my! He's alive! He's still mad. I've been... Uh-oh.
Good. Don't mind what happened to the
That guy is in bad shape. Oh! Oh my! He is angry! He does not like us in here! Oh my lord! Oh my god! He's not happy either!
What's happening to these bodies?
They're getting slung, stuck to old stuff. Something been eating on them. Oh. They got that. Oh. Whoa. He shot us.
Well, it looks like it's leading us out. Oh god, out there.
Oh, into the darkness. Oh, there's like a little trail that goes down.
Yeah. It's
Oh
not
my.
creepy at all.
Yeah, let's go down there.
Yeah, let's go down there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, where is he? Ah! Oh my! Oh my! Oh, you didn't have a chainsaw before! Where'd you get that? You take that back! Oh, there's another one! Oh God! Hey, you stay back there! No!
That's so crazy.
Oh, there's another one! Where's he at? Ah! Oh God!
I can't play chicken with the chainsaws. Well, I tried. It didn't work.
I hear more screaming over here. I saw the parking lot and I was wondering if we were done, but nope, it keeps right on going.
Oh, it is a junkyard.
Yeah, Nora called it.
I said, it sounds like a junkyard over there while we were getting out of our truck, which is like over there.
I heard a bunch of machinery. Oh, maybe that's the sounds we heard. Woo!
Or maybe it was
Might be that guy. You stay right there. Hey, zombie.
Oh.
Oh, these are toxic barrels. I don't think OSHA knows about this operation. Whoa! No! Oh, we got some kind of triage or something out here. It's not working. It's not working. Whoa! did not fare too well. Whoa! You are not triaging very well. No. Oh, this is a weird looking one.
Yeah.
Oh my.
I think it has giant potatoes.
Easy. That doesn't sound good at all.
That's my voice, because we heard him when we pulled in too.
Uh-oh, I see it moving. Oh no. Oh God! Woohoo! Easy!
Come and get him!
No, you don't! Stop telling him! No! Do not come and get him!
Piggy!
No, Piggy. Oh God, that's Piggy. I don't.
Well.
Uh-oh.
Is that dinner that just walked in?
No, yeah, he's right back here.
It's fresh meat!
Nope.
No.
Not fresh meat.
Oh, don't be afraid.
Uh,
Kids don't mind sharing.
well, I guess that's nice of the kids, but no.
Oh, they're going to enjoy this one. Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Don't wake the witch, he said. I think he knows something we don't.
Oh, there's all kinds of blood.
Yeah, that something definitely happened to him. Hiking this way. Okay, yeah, let's go hiking. Whoa!
Dinner's here.
Nope. We were dinner for Piggy.
Hungry.
We'll see if we can find you some dinner. No! Oh, she wasn't the witch.
Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh, now we're getting into witch territory.
How dare you wake me?
I didn't wake you up, it was all them yelling back there.
I'll just have to take your soul.
Nope, I'm still using mine right now.
I need those.
Well, won't be in use for long.
I don't know. We'll see about that.
Brutus.
Who?
Brutus?
No Brutus.
Well,
He loves sauce.
I don't think we need to meet Brutus.
Are you Brutus?
I think that's Brutus. Woohoo! Yeah, they're back there. We left them back here with the witch.
I think we're safe
I
because
think.
he's waiting. I know. We'll find out. Oh, that was fun.
How'd you guys enjoy?
That is a lot of fun.
Yeah, that was so exciting.
All right, guys, well, that was it here for Terror on Route 66. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If this is your first time watching, we are The Scare Factor. We're haunted attraction enthusiasts, and we like to help other haunt enthusiasts like you discover more about haunted houses. If you want to see the full review with ratings, check out our website, thescarefactor.com. We are going to head on off to the next haunt. Hopefully we'll see you there. Until then, stay scary.